Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome. We got a bunch of birds out here. It's a beautiful morning, y'all. It's supposed to be a scorcher today, but right now it's virtually no wind and it's nice and calm out here. It's about 63 degrees, but I'm out here with a plane. Got my Hellcat out here, y'all. It's a really tiny little warbird, and I do have a video of this guy already, but I just wanted to get this guy up in the air while it's such calm wind, virtually no wind. Let's get it in the air before it starts to pick up. So I'm curious to see if I can get some nice landings with this little guy. At least one. And a takeoff too. So we're gonna plug this guy up really quick. And sit her down. And I am flying her with the boxer.
Welcome to HTX.
Let's see. Select. Okay. Let's check everything. Okay, everything seems to be working. I don't know if acro mode is working, but let's try to take off with her. She's flying. Not giving me much down elevator though. I don't know if she's going to start giving it to me. Oh, what the heck? I got a stall from her. Or I think it cut out actually. I don't know what happened. Whatever it was, she didn't like it. I think it might have been a stall. I think I had it too low on throttle. I recovered from it though. She still isn't giving me any down elevator though. Very little. Let's see if I can get a roll or something. Oh, I got a roll out of her. Oh! And she nosedived on me. What the heck? Alright, y'all, so I was able to retrieve it. Unfortunately, we knocked the wheels right off it. But I forgot that in my previous testing that this protocol, the FX protocol, is subject to interference over there near that Home Depot Wi-Fi. And so what happened was it kept cutting out. So I came out here to the field, but we got little kids in the Pee Wee League down there playing. We got somebody over here out here playing catch with their kids or whatnot, you know, with the football and everything. So we all the way on this side over here. So let's get it up in the air. This should be enough space. Unfortunately, we didn't get any landings off. We're gonna toss it that way. The wind's coming from that direction. The wind's all over the place. Sheesh. I forgot I can't really get it to come down. with no elevator. So I'm just gliding. That was 0 throttle up there, y'all. Flying against the wind. Check it out, y'all. Sheesh. It's really fighting the wind. Doesn't even want to come back to me. That was full throttle there. Sheesh. Strong winds up there. Well, I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm going to try to plop it down over here where I'm at. 0 throttle. And the breakaway prop popped off. And I guess we're going to call it a flight. A few flights. Unfortunately, I got the wheels that go back on the bottom of this, so I'm gonna just glue the wheels back on. We got a rider there. We're gonna glue the wheels back on, and it'll be up in the air another day. And pretty much unscathed, other than the wheels ripping off of it. It's the FX Hellcat. Thanks for watching.